There's something really satisfying about making gnocchi from scratch. First timer here. No fancy equipment, just potatoes and flour done right. 5 russets give you a full tray of these little pillows that hold up perfect sauce. I boil the potatoes with skins on until they are fork tender, 45 to 60 minutes, depend on the size. Drain well, then peel while they're still hot, so the skin slips right off. Half them, and using a ricer straight into a mixing bowl. The ricer looks great, but is not the most user-friendly when it comes to function. I start with 1 cup flour. Work it in with your hands. Gentle folds, just sprinkle more if it's still tacky. It comes together soft and smooth. Knead maybe 1 minute on a flour board. Take 1 piece at a time. Roll it into a dime-thick rope. Cut 2/3 of inch pieces. Dust with flour so they don't stick. Fork tines down on the board, thumb press, and roll each one down the back. Those ridges are worth it when the sauce cleans later. Place them onto a flour baking sheet. For the sauce, cut the tomatoes, chop onion, garlic, and parsley. Sauté onion and garlic in olive oil with a knob of butter till fragrant. Tomatoes go in with a pinch of salt. Simmer till soft. Stir in half a cup homemade ricotta cheese. It melts creamy every time. Remove from heat. Salted water boiling. Gnocchi in batches so they don't crowd. Float and lift with a spoon. Saucepan back on low heat. Splash of pasta water to loosen it up. Season with salt, pepper, and hot pepper flakes to taste. Add parsley in. Then toss gnocchi till everything shines. Transfer to a serving bowl. Finish with Parmesan and more parsley. The first bite, the gnocchi tender, but hold their shape. Those ridges, grabbing every bit of the creamy, savory tomato ricotta cheese. Simple ingredients, but the textures and flavor just sing together. I had plenty left. Share some with a neighbor. Froze the rest. They keep great for quick weeknights. Thanks for cooking with me in Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders.